Hi, this is Ram at Live Media Video. Today I'll show you how to configure your PC for the best performance while video recording in OBS. Now this isn't just video editing, but you also want to make sure your computer is running at most efficient. So we'll go into search, go into control panel. This pulls down another window screen, and we go to sounds, and here another window pops up. We just go here and look for sounds, another tab, and then we'll go and turn sound schema to no sound. Then we just go ahead and hit OK. Next we go back to control, and here we want to go into power options, and here you want to change plan settings and make sure that everything here is set to never. We don't want the display in the middle of a stream ever turning off or putting your monitor to sleep or your computer to sleep. So we want to have this set to never. Then you go to advanced power settings, and here another window pops, and we want to go to USB settings here. Scroll down, hit the plus icon, and set this to on battery and plugged in disabled. This is going to have your PC run most efficiently. Then here we'll go back to control and power, and here we want to make sure that this is set to the name of your computer and not balanced. We don't want balanced here. We want the name of your computer. In my case, it's Acer. Now let's go into NVIDIA. This is my graphics setting. Make sure this is set to preference only performance. Manage 3D settings. We want to scroll down here. Make sure your card is being found here. Power management. We want that set to performance. And we also want your texture filtering quality set to high performance. That's also key. Now this is for NVIDIA cards, but if you have a graphics card, you just want to make sure whether it's an AMD or an Intel, you want to make sure that everything is set to performance and not balanced or quality. Next, we want to move over to the NVIDIA experience, and believe it or not, I forget to do this sometimes myself. You want to make sure that your drivers are uploaded or updated each time you see a new patch or a new update. You just want to go ahead and download the drivers so you can get the most out of your card. Finally, today, the last tip here is to make sure that your Windows update is paused. We do not want to have an update going on when we have a live stream, which will cause a delay to the stream, and you'll have a glitch, or you'll basically have lag. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.